Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. It's been so long that I have actually uploaded any makeup video on myself. I've been getting a lot of requests, but I have not been keeping well, so it was really tough for me to record and upload a video. But now I am much better, and the first thing that I wanted to do when I got well was to record a video for all of you. It's festival time here. It's Diwali here and we all want to get glammed and dressed, and Diwali is a festival of lights. It's beautiful. Everybody wants to experiment with colors, so I thought why not to do a video using this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette. The colors in this palette are so drop dead gorgeous, and I so wanted to record a video with this. I have one of this and I have the other one in green as well, and the colors for that palette are also stunning. I'm going to do a video on that palette as well. I actually liked how the whole look pulled off together, and I think it's beautiful, and I'm sure that you all will also like it. So in case you want to see how did I create this gorgeous look, stay tuned and keep watching. I'm going to start off with my face, but before that, let me just put my hair back using this beautiful band. For priming my face, I'm going to use Glam Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. This is such a beautiful product. It moisturizes and at the same time it provides you with nice illumination all over your skin. For the color corrector, I'm using Bobbi Brown corrector in the shade Dark Peach, and I am applying it using the Sigma brush P86. I will apply it under my eyes, around my nose and around my lips. For my foundation today, I'm using Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer in the shade Ivory. I just don't like that this foundation comes with a wand, because every time you use it, you have to dip it back into the product. And now for providing me with that glow, I am mixing it with the NARS Illuminator in Orgasm. Both these products together will provide me with a nice illuminating base, and I am blending it using the Damp Beauty Blender. This foundation is extremely full coverage, but I think that the color was a little towards the pink side, but in the end, after adding nice bronzer to my skin, it looked beautiful. Make sure that you cover your neck as well. For my concealer today, I am using this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Custard, and I am applying it using this Luxie Large Concealer brush. I will blend it using the same Damp Beauty Blender. And now to highlight the center of my face, I am using Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in Fair Neutral. I am not using it in much quantities, just very little in the center of the face. And I will blend it well with my foundation using the same Damp Beauty Blender. For setting my foundation, I am using Huda Beauty Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread. I really like the fragrance of this powder, and it actually set my under eye and other areas perfectly. It's a beautiful color for Indian skin tone, perfect amount of yellow into it. And now for bronzing my face, I am using the NARS bronzer in the shade Laguna, using this Luxie Small Contouring Brush. This bronzer has always been my favorite, but lately I was obsessed with Huda, but I thought why not to come back to this bronzer again. Using this flat brush, I am just going to contour my nose as well. For the blush today, I am applying the Matte Mineralized Skin Finish Blush in the shade Studio Rose using this high-res brush HB21. This is a beautiful blush with soft glow into it. And now I'm going to soak myself in MAC Charged Water Skin Hydrating Mist just before applying my highlighter, and I love this small fan that I picked up randomly. Once the mist is partially dried, I'm going to apply this MAC Extra Dimension highlighter in the shade Beaming Blush using the Anastasia highlighter brush. For my eyebrows today, I'm using this Kiko eyebrow marker in the shade 03. It's like a pen and you can very well work on your brows with this. It is nothing which is too dramatic and it gives nice color to your eyebrows. Now we come to eyes, and I'm going to prime my eyes using the same concealer and the same Luxie concealer brush. I'll make sure that it is very well covered and no veins, nothing is visible underneath, because I wanted to play around with this beautiful Amethyst palette from Huda Beauty. And that completes my face. Now we'll start with the eyes. I'm going to start off with this light color in the palette, which is in the last row, and with a nice fluffy brush I'm going to work it in my transition. Now the last color in the first row is a little darker than the previous color, and by using a little smaller fluffier brush I'm going to work just under the transition color. Now by taking the first color in the middle row, which is the darkest color of the all, I'm going to use it as my contour color, and by using a small brush I'm going to work in the outer corner of my eyes. Now for the main lid, I am using this Indulgence Essentials Rose Gold Oil. I will just take small droplets of this at the back of my hand and I will apply it on my tips. Now by taking the last color in the last row, I will apply it using my fingertips all over the eye. Now again, by taking the darker color, I am again going to work on the outer corner of the eyes. And now finally I'm going to take the center color from the palette and apply it on top of the eyeshadow. By using a pencil brush, I am using the center color of the last row and apply it as the inner corner highlight. And I'm going to work in the same manner on the lower lash line as well, starting off with the lightest color and then the darkest. I will just work near the lash line. And by using a large fluffy brush, I am going to blend all this together so that it looks seamless. Just to fill my waterline, I'm using the Sephora Waterproof Contour Eye Pencil in the shade Icebreaker. It's a beautiful lilac purple color. And now to finish off the eyes, I am using the Kiko Maxi Mod Mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to outline my lips using this MAC lip liner in the shade Soar, which is my absolute favorite. And I am applying Smashbox Always On lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. I wanted my lips to be a little more glossy, and for this I'm using the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Vintage. To finish off the whole look, I'll spray MAC Charged Water Skin Hydrating Mist all over again. So this is the final look right in front of you, and I think it's so beautiful. I love how this amethyst color looks so beautiful. It's really nice, and I'm sure that you all would have liked it. In case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Stay blessed and keep watching, because I'm going to upload a lot more beautiful makeup videos till Diwali. I love you all. Stay blessed and keep watching.